Happy New Year, folks. First trading day of 2022, and we're starting it off with a bang. Markets, equities up big in the pre. Dow Jones up about 125, S&P's up 25. That's about a 0.5% move. So we're seeing some strength on the back of a year in 2021 when the S&P was up 27%. We'll see what this year brings, but looking good for the first trading day of the year. Now, that being said, look at some of the other markets. We've got FX, got that dollar higher this morning. Oil was rallying this morning. We've since come off. We're trading pretty much flat on the day, right around $75 a barrel in WTI. Now, it's a big week on the economic data front. We've got some manufacturing data out today. We've got a slew of other economic data points coming out over the course of the week. And the big day is on Friday when we have that December jobs report. So strap in for that. It's going to be a big week. Big way to start off the year. I hope you're ready. And as we've talked about last year and every year before, this is the time where we get back into it and we set the pace for the new year. So what are you going to do this year to make yourself better? Make yourself a better person, make yourself a better trader, you name it. Get into that Nadex Education Center. Let's start today. Get into the demo account, start playing around, practicing, whatever you got to do to make yourself better. It all starts today. It's a clean slate. All right, let's go get some. I'll see you folks again tomorrow.